The figure on your screen shows the physical structure of an N-channel enhancement type MOSFET from the front. The transistor is fabricated on a P-type substrate. Two heavily doped N-type regions are created in the substrate here. A thin layer of silicon dioxide, an insulator, separates the substrate from the metal contacts. This is to ensure the current flow is controlled. These here are all metal contacts. You may ask, why do we have 4 terminals? Notice the 2 PN junctions here. These are reverse biased at all times. The drain will be at a positive voltage relative to the source, so we can cut both regions off by shorting the body terminal to the source terminal. Hence, we will be left with 3 terminals. Thus, the existence of the body terminal can be ignored altogether. Even if you apply a voltage between drain and source, no current will flow because the path between them here has a very high resistance. So what must we do to conduct?